Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch movie on Netflix, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Open the Netflix app and sign in. Now, to find the movie you want to watch, you can use one of the three methods. The first one is to tap the menu icon and search from the genres that you are interested in. The second method is to search the home page for anything that catches your eye. And the third method is to type the movie that you want to watch on the search bar. Now that you have found the movie that you want to watch, tap on it and tap play. And that's how you watch movie on Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.